Image recognition can be really powerful for lots of different use cases. You can augment packagings, you can augment books, magazines, posters, paintings, anything really that is a 2D image. So in this example, I'm going to take two paintings that I happen to have in my home, so that's very handy. So let's create a new Xcode project, which is going to be augmented reality and called image detection. And I'm just going to put this on my desktop for now. Okay, so as usual, I'm just going to clean this up very quickly. And now we need to set this image detection to our configuration. So if you go to configuration, and you can put detection images this time and not the plane. And in here we are going to pass an AR reference image dot, and it's going to be reference images. So you can see here this is a set of AR reference images. Okay, so it's going to be in a group that's going to be named paintings, and the bundle is nil. Okay, so let's create this. Let's create this group. So the group, we are going to go into the assets, the normal assets, not the art.scn assets for this time. So where you should see your app icon here. And here we can now create a new AR resource group. So create this, and here you can just tap and rename. So I called it paintings. You can just name this anything you want, obviously. And in here we need to drag our images. So if I take those two and drag them in here, what I need to do is to make sure that they have a title first, but also that they have a physical size. So I have measured my paintings here, and I know that this one is 50 centimeters. So I'm going to change to centimeters in width. And here, if I hit return, it gives me the height automatically. And you see this one, Xcode is telling me is not happy because I haven't added any measurement in yet. This is compulsory to work. So if I go to centimeters for the Walter Lily Pond, and this one is 60 centimeters in width. Okay, so this is all we need to do for the configuration of the image detection. It's really quick and simple and super powerful. So if we go back to our view controller now, let me make a little bit more space. And in here, as we've done before, we're just going to, so let's make some more space. And in here, I'm going to call the renderer and did add node. So the same as we did before for the plane detection, but this time we're not going to cast our anchor as a plane anchor, but as an image anchor. So if I start by doing my guard, let image anchor equals, so that's going to be my anchor, that's here. And I'm going to try and cast this now as an AR image anchor. And if that doesn't succeed, then I'm just going to return. Okay, so we now have access to our image anchor. Let's see what's inside. It hopefully will be an image. So if I type image anchor and dot, here you can see that I've got my reference image. So the detected image referenced by the image anchor. Great. So let image equals image anchor dot reference image, and then we can access the image's name in here, and this is what we are going to use to trigger different experiences, right? So here I'm just going to print this for now, and so I can actually remove all of that. You see there is not that much code at all actually, but this is all we need to print for now, and then I'm going to run this. In the next lecture, I'm going to show you how we can use Siri to tell us more about the painting. Okay, so here we go. And you can see in here we've got optional surprised. If I look a little bit more this way, there's a bit of reflection here, but it worked as well. See, water lily pond. Okay, brilliant. So that works. In the next video, yes, I want to show you how to use Siri to tell us more about what those pictures are about.